Hey traders, welcome to Trade Type Hub. This is the weekly analysis about gold and GBPJPY. As you can clearly see that we are on the weekly time frame of gold, and here we are going to just tell you about support and resistance and what will be the market for the next week. Okay, as you can see that here we have a support and there is an all-time high going on in the market right now, as market has broke its resistance area for and now it's going for its all-time high. So yeah, so on a let's move on a this is what weekly and weekly time frame shows us that the market created a support and then market retraces to the all-time high. On Monday, I hope it broke the all-time high. So let's move on the daily time frame. As you can clearly see that on a daily time frame, it's still there was a support created. Market rejected this support area, this resistance area, and after that market broke this resistance area. As you can see, the market was rejecting over here, but on the on Friday market didn't respect it and it broke the resistance area, and now it's going to tap for the all-time high. So let's move it on a 4-hour time frame for much better view. And as you can see on a 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that market has broken multiple times. As you can see that this is the major area of a resistance area, and for support we can go anywhere, and like this is the support area, and this is the support area. So there are multiple support area which turns into resistance, resistance turns into support. But right now, if you can see on a smaller time frame, if you wanna, this is the major area of rejection from market, and market climbs up. As you can see, we also see the rejection over there. So what makes the two of them are different, and what we think that it will break the all-time reasons? First, it creates the all-time high. Okay. Second time, when market goes up, the next candle comes down. That's pretty much that market is not going to, it's a fake out, and market will arrange in the area and then market dump. It creates again a support area, a resistance area, tap the resistance area, and then market came down to its low. Okay. But here, if we see that market creates a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, it taps its support area and then it breaks its high, it breaks its resistance area. So this is what 4-hour and 1-hour is telling. I think the 1-hour is pretty much similar. See, market is consolidating over there, then it broke and came down. Then obviously there are again a support and resistance going on over here. If you can clearly see that, and there's a support going on, and this is what is happening right now over here. Market is just creating support and resistance. If we go through it, we will clearly see that this was the pattern that we should follow, and if we follow that, the market has created. There is nothing over here I can say that this is the resistance area. No, this is not the resistance area. Reason why this is not the resistance area for me is the reason that market created this topic. It was, I believe, news, and market came down and closed it in a range. Obviously, this is the resistance area for me because there was a multiple tap over here, not over here. So it it comes in the range. But right now, market has obviously rejected the range on a 1-hour time frame, and what we are expecting, like it is getting something like this, and we are expecting something like this, and this, or maybe what I'm possibly thinking is market can do something like this and then goes like this, and then market will obviously create an all-time high, and then it will work like this, and this can be expected. But I'm not sure what will happen. Eventually, no one is sure about gold, what will happen. So this is the 1 hour about 1 hour time frame about gold. Let's move on to a 15 minute. So on a 15-minute time frame, we are just looking for some entries. Or we can move to the 30-minute time frame. Here, all-time high market has to get, and obviously we have told what we have to do. But right now, if you can see that on a 30-minute time frame, breakout structure happened. These are internal breakouts, change of vector breakout structure, which we trade usually. And we were expecting something from here to market to reject. Sorry, from here market to reject. Obviously, it was a pattern liquidity sweep, and we were expecting market to retrace over there. But on Friday, it didn't retrace and then it broke. Because if we clearly see the pattern, we also traded around. So here we also traded this area, but market this area, because we were expecting a rejection from here, but market never did it. So it clearly means that market is completely bullish over here, and we are just looking for buys rather than looking for sells. Sells, I believe, could happen on a smaller time frame if we get some good supply areas. But right now we are just looking for buys because I believe market will create an all-time high and then it will go up. So it's better to get some good buys. So what are the areas, what exactly we are expecting on Mondays that we can get at good trade? So just use a Fibonacci tool for better understanding. On a 30-minute, you can go on a 1 hour, doesn't matter. But obviously, the years you have pretty much is clear on a 30-minute. I am finding on 30-minute, then I will go on a 15-minute to exactly mark my entry that I'll be looking. Right now, this is the obviously the high, and this is the low. After the breakout structure happens, market created higher high, higher low, and this was the area where we were expecting some good entry, but we never find it. And yeah, so this eventually happens. Right now, what I'm expecting market to come in 0.05, 705 and 0.79. This is the area mostly where we expect a rejection and where we expect a retracement from market and then we will find. So there is an area over here where we are finding a good demand zone over here, just like this on a 30-minute time frame, and I'm expecting market to come something like this. If it's happened, then it will be much better and we can expect a good buys. And if we get these buys, I believe we are holding it for the all-time highs. If we get it on Monday, hopefully we will. So we are holding on this area. So why I didn't mark the lower area, as multiple people will ask that this can also be the demand area. This can also be the demand area. Reasons are obviously market is in a bullish side, breakout structures happen. On a smaller time frame, we can see the change of react happen and breakout structure and trend line is going on. But on a bigger time frame, we can clearly see that market is bullish. And market right now on a smaller time frame is also bullish. But we are just expecting a good retracement from market over here. And after the retracement, what we are expecting from market is to give us some good area over here, and then we can look for some good buys over here on a 15-minute time frame. Exactly what from where I'm expecting some good entries. Just give me a sec. It will be somewhere around over here on a 15-minute time frame. So I've just not marked anything. Whatever I'm doing is doing live on the video, so that better to understand what exactly is happening. And yeah, so this will be you can mark the complete area over here, but I'm going just for the last bottom bearish candle, so it's better for me to trade over here. If this is the last bearish candle, so yeah, how many pips will it be? Somewhere around 30 pips. 30 pips stop loss will be somewhere around 30 to 32 pips. And yeah, so this is where I'm expecting market to come down. There are multiple areas over here. This can be the area because the retracement area is expecting to market to come down, something like this eventually happen, and then market can go. But I'm expecting market on a smaller time frame to tap this area and then we will look for buys. This is what I'm expecting from gold right now. So now we are moving to GBPJPY. As you can clearly see that on a monthly time frame, we are expecting it's completely bullish. We are not expecting anything. It's completely bullish. Yeah, it has broken its what we can say, the liquidity. It's very bit liquidity, but not a all-time high because GBP is pretty much on a if we go on a back, it's pretty much bullish over there. So what market is doing, I believe it's going for the all-time high. What I'm thinking right now is it's going just to create an all-time high over here. So as you can clearly see that on a, let's move on a monthly. Monthly is much better, just to be clear. So right now this is the major area from where the market has obviously rejected it, and it's going upside, not rejecting it, it's going upside. So it's broken its support area, resistance area, now turn it into support, and then we are looking for some this area. This is the area which I'm looking after right now. And on a, let's move on a weekly and weekly time frame, so it will be much better. As you can see that on a weekly, there's broken this area, and market obviously this is the major resistance area, which market comes up, tap this area, resistance area, and then comes down. But right now, what we are seeing is market reject and then goes. So it's pretty much obvious that market will tap this area. Something eventually will happen like this, or maybe this can happen, and but market has to tap this area. This area is a major area for it, and we can expect market to tap this area. And this area can also be the zone for a small, if we go on a obviously daily and on next week. We are expecting this area for next week, but major area is this one, and I'm expecting right now this area. As you can see that there's a multiple tap-ins over here, and here also we can see the tap-in. So I'm expecting market to come to this area, and yeah, we will find some entries. I'm not trading GBPJPY this month. Don't know, but I'm not getting a good vibe from it. So yeah, I was just testing supply demand, and I never traded, and will never obviously will look after the market. If I could get the good opportunity, I will look for the buys but not sells. I'm not zone to take any sells right now in the market. As you can see then on a 4 hour time frame, let's delete some bigger pictures. Support resistance and move it to the smaller time frame, so it will be much better to understand, and reset the chart. On a 4 hour time frame, bigger structure has been happened, not and it's on a 30-minute average, but on a 4 hour, if we look for support and resistance, I don't think so we will find anything good over here. This can be the support area, but I am not expecting this resistance. What can we expect? This is the major support area, and that was the resistance area, sorry, and this is the major support area, or maybe this is the major yeah, this will be much better. This is the major support area, as market broke and there are multiple taps, but right now obviously market is not respecting. There's nothing pretty evident over here that why market retraced from here, but what we are seeing is maybe this could be the area. If we go on a smaller time frame, we will see if more was the area, but I believe this might be the area. On a lower time frame, it can be a demand zone, but yeah, on a 1 hour, let's move on a 1 hour, and hopefully we will find some good support and resistance over here, so that we will, yeah. So on a 1 hour time frame, and this is the major area from where market was rejecting, and market obviously reject from this area. As you can see the tap, and market tap this area, and this is the major area, the resistance zone. Yeah, market already tapped. Here it's consolidating, then it broke, and now it is going on a not targeting this area. By the way, this area can be the reversal zone, as we have a pretty much good fair value gap and order block over here, and I'm not hoping. I'm pretty much sure that it will break. Like it's breaking this area also. So I'm pretty much hoping it will break this area. Like I was expecting a rejection over here, but it never came. It just broke. So there's nothing for a bearish side. We're just looking for buys. If you get anything for buys, take it and hold a smaller portion of it and just go breaking. Because I'm believing that market can go pretty much upside. So obviously we are going to get some trade over here and find a good setup. And if we go on a retracement level and the Fibonacci, so this is the area from where we are expecting some rejections, but I'm not pretty much confident, but because I believe market can reject from here. It can come something like this and goes up, because it's not following any pattern. Or maybe supply demand is not that much pretty over there, but supply demand obviously work everywhere. But right now we can see that market is not accepting it, and yeah. So this is the on. Let's move to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. So on a 15-minute time frame, let's open this smart money concept. That is, it helps me. You can download it from. It's a free indicator, so it helps me a lot to find some good areas. But obviously, I trade on my experience, and yeah, I'm expecting market to came and tap this area. This is the area where I'm expecting some good rejection. If market tap this area, I will be looking after the market, or maybe this area, this whole area. I will looking for some buys over here if market came, and just will look like what is printing, because what if market came like this, maybe it's rejecting the resistance area and came into its support. So we have to look how it's coming down. It also depends on what market is printing right. So this is the weekly analysis about gold and GBPJPY. So yeah, just going for a forex factory and see what next week bring to us. On Monday, if we go on Monday, so we can clearly see that there's nothing a major news. It's a medium impact on a Fed, so it will not affect that much. What are the time? I believe times are pretty much. It's a wrong time showing over here. Or it's Pakistan time, so it's still wrong. I believe this is not what the time happening in Pakistan right now. Yeah. So I'm going with uh, London time zone, so that will be much better for you to understand. Where's London, 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 London? Here it is. Okay. So according to London time frame, on Monday there is pretty much bank holiday. Okay. CHF is off. CHF, I believe, is a Swiss. Yeah, it's also off Euro holiday, CAD holiday. So I am not hoping some good reaction from market, but we can get some good reaction on JPB, JPY, or maybe gold, because gold can give us. So there are some FOMC members going to speak. Fed is going to speak tomorrow, and other members going to speak also on Monday on 2 p.m. So medium impact. That's not much anything, I believe. Monday will give us some good retracement, and we will get some good setup, because when there's no news, supply demand pretty much work good. When there's news, supply demand also work, but yeah, last week was pretty hard for us as we hit the four stop losses in that week. But no worries, this is what happened in the trading, and you don't have to lose. It's all about psychology. On Tuesday, you can clearly see that there is a major news of CAD. CPI is coming over CAD. It also affects the gold also. Other than that, there is also that is not affecting USD media. But what's the major news on Tuesday? Tuesday is 1:30 p.m. London time, and it will definitely affect the gold also. Not that much, but it will somehow affect, because CAD also affects. So we will look after this, and then JBP. Stay away from this. If anybody is speaking, just stay away from the market, because whenever they speak, the market goes upside, downside, every side. So it's better to stay away at 6 p.m. London time from JPB. On Wednesday, again, there is a New Zealand that is not. This has nothing to do with us, because we don't trade any pair related to New Zealand. JPB has a CPI, which we are expecting some low. So we are hoping again to go JPB to come down, because actual greater than forecast was forecast, and we are expecting some low in. So we are hoping some rejection from JPY on Wednesday. Hopefully we'll see it. Again, FOMC meeting is, so it's not going to affect 7 p.m. news. No, nothing. It's not on a major time of trading. So I don't think so there's a major thing to happen. So yeah, next week is pretty much easy for us. Not that much, but there's no major news. So yeah, I believe we will work on it and we'll find some good setup, hopefully. And on Thursday there is another news on Euro, JBP, again flash. These are not that much important, but these are high impact. It will obviously impact the currency, but we will see, because we never trade any news. So whatever happens, we don't care usually. We always care about what happens after the news, where market is moving. So that's much important. The major news is on USD is on employment claim. Obviously, it's came every Thursday. So we'll be looking, as numbers are pretty much close to each other. So nothing major over here. Last week was also pretty much close to each other, so nothing major. And again, flash manufacturing PM, and that will not affect that much on gold. On Friday again, there's no such news. Next week there's no such news that will impact that much on gold, which I. So yeah, this is what our weekly analysis about gold and JPY. Hope you guys have liked it. Please like and follow us on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, Instagram. Everywhere. Telegram is free for now, so you can join it over there. And whatever trades we find, we will post it over there. So yeah, take care of yourself. Bye bye. We'll meet you on Monday on a live stream. Take care.